Right? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone, especially those at the other side of the world. There is no time and space between us, there is only this present moment, and we are one. On diary entry number 1256, August 30, 1937, Reverend Father Sopochko left this morning when I was steeped in a prayer of thanksgiving for the great grace that I had received from God, namely that of seeing Father. I became united in a special way with the Lord, who said to me, "He is a priest after my own heart. His efforts are pleasing to me. You see, my daughter, that my will must be done, and that which I had promised you, I shall do. Through him, I spread comfort to suffering and careworn souls. Through him, it pleased me to proclaim the worship of my mercy. And through this work of mercy, more souls will come close to me than otherwise would have, even if he had kept giving absolution day and night for the rest of his life, because by doing so, he would have labored only for as long as he lived, whereas, thanks to this work of mercy, he will be laboring till the end of the world." Agosto 30. Umalis kanina umaga si Reverend Father Sopochko na ako'y puspos sa panalangin ng pasasalamat sa dakilang biyayang natanggap ko mula sa Diyos. Ibig sabihin, ang pagkakita sa Ama kay Father Sopochko. Ako ay naging kaisa sa isang espesyal na paraan sa Panginoon na nagsabi sa akin, siya ay isang pari ayon sa aking sariling puso. Ang kaniyang mga pagsisikap ay nakalulugod sa akin. Nakikita mo, aking anak, na ang aking kalooban ay dapat matupad, at sa pamamagitan niya ay ikinalat ko ang kaaliwan sa mga kaluluwang nagdurusa at nag-aalala. Sa pamamagitan niya ay ikinalulugod ko na ipahayag ang pagsamba sa aking awa. At sa pamamagitan ng gawain ito ng awa, ay mas maraming kaluluwa ang lalapit sa akin kaysa kung hindi man. Kahit na siya ay patuloy na nagbibigay ng kapatawaran araw at gabi sa natitirang araw, dahil sa paggawa nito, siya ay gagawa lamang habang siya ay nabubuhay. Samantalang, salamat sa gawain ito ng awa, siya ay gagawa hanggang sa katapusan ng mundo. Bahagi ng kanyang buhay, aking ipinapangako sa iyo, ay aking gagawin. Medyo mahaba, no? But let's just take the most important from this entry. So Father Sapochko was already leaving, and she was very thankful for this grace of having Father at this moment, no? And this is what's good here, sabi ni Jesus. You see, my daughter, that my will must be done, and as I have promised. Sabi niya, even if he had kept giving absolution day and night. O, so kahit na may mga umpisal sa kanya, patawad siya sa maraming tao, no? Kaluluwa, day and night, 24 hours a day, kahit pa daw gawin niya yon. For the rest of his life, sa buong buhay niya, he would have labored only for as long as he lived. So, halimbawa, 30 years siyang nabuhay times 24 hours. Yun lang yun. Yun lang yun. Pero, dahil sa gawa ng awa, thanks to this work of mercy, he will be laboring till the end of the world. So, di ba, namatay na po si Father Michael. Pero sabi ni Jesus, salamat sa gawain ito ng awa. magtatrabaho siya hanggang sa katapusan ng mundo. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na lamang siya nagtrabaho hanggang nabubuhay siya. Hindi na lamang siya nagdadala ng awa, nagbibigay ng kapatawaran sa mga tao nung siya'y nabubuhay pa. Kasi pag ganun daw, ganun lang ang equivalent noon. If he lived for 30 more years and giving absolution for 30 years, 24 hours a day, that would only be it. Para bang sinasabi natin na face value, no? Parang yun lang yun. But because of this work of mercy, nagpapatuloy ang ginagawa, nagpapatuloy ang gawain ng awa hanggang sa katapusan ng mundo. So, di ba, patay na po si Father Michael Sopochko, but we are here. And the devotion to the divine mercy is continuing. And many souls are benefiting from this work of mercy. Sa pamamagitan natin, maraming kaluluwa ang naliligtas. For example, sino bang mag-aakala ako, no? For instance, sino bang mag-aakala na itong ating ginagawang pananalangin every 3 o'clock in the morning is bringing so many souls back, is giving hope to many souls, nagbibigay ng pag-asa sa maraming kaluluwa. And the proof is the new names, new people sharing, and new additional, more and more people are really being touched by this program. Ibig sabihin, hindi po ito yung ang mga followers naman natin. Alam niyo ba, karaniwan naman ito. Hindi naman po ito yung mga existing na mga Divine Mercy devotees in every apostolate. No. Many of those who are following Fount of Mercy and watching and praying every 3 o'clock in the morning via Facebook Live, many of them are not organized. Many of them are not into the Divine Mercy Apostolate or into any Divine Mercy organization. Mga kalat-kalat ba ng mga mananampalataya? Yes. Sumisimba, gano'n, no? Pero hindi katulad natin. Ako, for instance, I am a member of the Apostolate, Divine Mercy Apostolate. And yung mga prayer leaders natin, ganun din, no? But those who are watching live right now, for instance, bilangin nyo yan na hindi naman ito ano, and those who would be participating later kasi hindi sila nagigising ng ganito kaaga, but they will be reviewing and they will be replaying the recorded live prayers. No? These souls are not organized. Hindi sila po yung mga katulad natin organized. So, and through them, by sharing this post, no, through them, many more people are being reached. Naaabot, ano? So, minsan nababagalan pa rin ako by the rate how we are reaching people. But then, gaano naman ka liit, no, yung naabot natin. I mean, comparing this to other pages, no, na talagang the followers are millions, yung views are millions, yung mga nagva-viral. Pero kasi tayo, even if our followers is not millions, no, hindi umabot ng million, but we are going live every morning, every day. No? So, yung 1 hour nating naka-live tayo, paulit-ulit naman na araw-araw nga po kasi, na po? So, paulit-ulit yan. And we're doing a lot of work, the work of mercy. So, pag kinonvert mo yun, the light that we are pouring, no? Yung ibinubus nating liwanag sa pamamagitan ng ating panalangin, ay hindi pwedeng matawaran, hindi mo pwede i-compare doon sa mga viral posts. Kasi yung sa atin kasi pare-pareho lang. No? We are praying the 3 o'clock prayer, the chaplet, and then we'll read the diary. So yun yung kinakaiba, no? Kaya para ka na ring nag-viral. Kasi nga, the post is being done every day, every 3 o'clock in the morning, no? Na nag intensify ng light being poured on earth. So imagine niyo yung everyday it is doing its work. the same post, no? Nag-iiba lang doon sa, generally doon sa diary reading. Pero, dahil araw-araw at ginagawa natin ito, mas matindi yung liwanag na naidulot natin sa mundo kaysa dun sa isang viral sex scandal or usually mga nagbo-viral naman yung mga drama in life na, no? At wala naman kayo masyadong makikitang viral na yung baga nakakabuti para sa isang kaluluwa. Walang ganun, no? Napakadalang, no? Siguro halimbawa nag-viral yung post ni Pope, ganon. No, iilan lang yun. Kasi karaniwan doon sa mga nagva-viral ay yung mga talagang intriguing and destroying people, mga ganon, no? Mga scandals, mga halimbawa yung katulad ngayon, no? Yung mga post ng flood control. So these are the things na hindi naman mabubuti, no? Kundi ano pa, no? Nakakapanlumo pa. But the thing that we are doing, sabi ko nga, kahit yung followers natin ay hindi umaabot ng milyon. Pero, the fact that we are pouring a lot of light every day, nagba-viral din tayo. Viral in the sense that the light that is being poured every day is increasing. Hindi na po pareho yung liwanag na pinabababa ng Panginoon sa pamagitan natin kasi parang ganito, no? When you are practicing something, bawa nag-aaral kang maglaro ng isang sports. And you do that every day. Di po ba gumagaling ka dun sa sports na yon? Kasi para ka nagpa-practice araw-araw or you are on a training. Pagsabak mo sa actual na mga paligsahan, for instance, no, lalaro ka na. Di ba? Mas magaling ka na kaysa sa dati. So it is like the way we are doing this every day. It is a form of practice that we consistently do. That is why we are improving as a soul. So dahil ginagawa natin ni araw-araw, the sacrifice that we are doing every day is not ordinary. Imagine, the kind of soul that you have right now is different from the kind of soul that you were 3 years ago, 2 years ago, 1 year ago. Iba na po yung itsura ng inyong mga kaluluwa. No, a lot of light has already been poured to us. So marami ng liwanag na dumaloy sa atin. No, kasi binababa ng Panginoon yan eh. Nagsasabog siya ng grasya ng liwanag araw-araw kapag ginagawa natin to dahil ini-invoke natin ang divine mercy every day. A lot of light is passing through us and that light is flashing out many gray areas in our system, in our body. Kung may sakit ka, ang daming cells na nire-repair ng liwanag na yan. So imagine that being done every day, eh di ang ganda-ganda na ng kaluluwa natin. So the quality of light that we are or the Lord is channeling to us, iba na po yung kalibre nito. Iba na yung kalidad ng liwanag na pinadadaloy sa atin ng Panginoon. Kasi, kung baga sa isang tubo, no, wala ng mga bara-bara. Kaya mas marami ng liwanag yung dumadaloy. So, because of this work of mercy, kahit na ikumpara natin sa sinasabi na si Father Michael daw kahit 24 hours a day, day and night, magbigay ng absolution to every soul, di parang kung wala ang work of mercy, ganun lang ang nagawa niya hanggang sa matapos ang buhay niya. But because of the work of mercy, patuloy ang kanyang trabaho. Ganun din tayo. Kahit tayo mamatay at this moment, no? Kahit tayo mawala, no? But thanks God, wala pang nauuna sa atin, no? Sa mga kasama natin sa 3 a.m., wala pa po akong nakikita, no? Wala pa tayong nabibigyan ng tribute kasi malalakas pa rin tayo at nabubuhay pa rin tayo, eh hindi naman na po tayo ganun ano, no? Yung edad natin, hindi naman tayo ganun kababata. So tingnan nyo, no? because of what we are doing, even if we die at this very moment, no, because of the work of mercy, this work of mercy shall continue until the end of the world. What we are doing will continue up until the end of the world. Isn't that great, no? Na tayo ay nagiging bahagi. Kaya pagdating natin sa dulo ng buhay natin and we will be meeting the Lord, what the Lord will ask, what have you done? Abay, medyo proud na tayo sa sarili natin. Lord, every day, I'm wake up and sacrificing, waking up very early to pray the chaplet. And aside from praying the chaplet, Lord, I am doing the work of mercy. So, huwag kayong ano lang, no? ma mananatili na lamang sa paggising ng umaga at pananalangin ng chaplet. Do not stop from there. Mahaba pa ang araw, marami pa tayong ibang pwedeng gawin. And we can spread mercy wherever we are. Nasa bahay ka lang because you are attending to, to so many chores in the house, you can spread mercy in your very own house, in your home. Kung ikaw ay nasa trabaho, whatever workplace you are, you can spread mercy wherever you are. So yung liwanag na nakamtan mo ng alas 3 ng madaling araw, when you go out later today or later in the day, dala-dala mo yun touching a lot of souls. Hindi man ah, hindi man direkta, no, kundi indirect. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo alam, no, pumunta ka sa isang lugar, pero yung liwanag mo kumalat dun sa lugar na yun, hindi mo yun winil, no? You did not will it, but the light that you absorb early in the morning will always be carried out wherever you are or wherever you will go.